Welcome to AI World TV, your go-to destination for everything artificial intelligence. Discover the captivating landscape of AI, where advanced technology finds real-life application. Subscribe to AI World TV for webzine articles, reports, podcasts, videos, live events, and latest trends. Hear from top industry leaders and discover how AI is transforming industries and our daily lives.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we have a pretty unique mission for you.
A very specific one.
Yeah, we want to get you instantly well-informed on the actual working components of this whole AI revolution.
Right.
We received this, tremendous stack of sources. It's like a comprehensive ecosystem map from what they call the 101 AI world.
And we're not going to spend time on, the big theoretical discussions about large language models.
No, none of that. We're diving straight into the tangible stuff, the products, the specialized agents, the investment strategies, and the whole global infrastructure that is, defining this industry right now.
And that's a really crucial distinction to make. Our goal here is to synthesize all this information and really understand the shift toward what these sources are calling agentic intelligence.
Agentic intelligence. Okay.
For you, the listener, this is the key concept.
Yeah.
It's this definitive move towards specialized autonomous AI agents. So we're talking about machines designed not just to process language, but to autonomously execute these complex multi-step workflows.
And they're tailored for really specific high-value tasks.
Exactly.
So if a generalized LLM is sort of like a super smart generalist professor, then agentic AI is like the team of PhDs this professor hires to handle every single project perfectly.
And on their own.
That's a great way to put it, precisely.
Yeah.
Before, you had to prompt the AI for every single step. You'd say, step 1, draft an email. Step 2, check my schedule.
Right. Step 3, send the invite. All manual.
Now, the agent gets the overall goal, let's say, qualify a new lead and then schedule a follow-up. It just autonomously executes all the little subtasks to get there. No more prompting.
What I find so compelling here is just how quickly this whole ecosystem has formalized. It already has dedicated funds, educational structures.
Yes, all there.
And we should be clear, the specific product names we're going to be talking about today, Rex, JetSet, the AI World Fund, they are all coming directly from the sources that were shared with us. So it's a very specific look inside this 101 AI world. Okay, so let's unpack this. What are these agents and where are they already making a difference, transforming industries?
I think we have to start with the core player that was highlighted across all the sources, the Rex AI agent.
Right.
This is being framed as the ultimate, 24/7 intelligent assistant. It's designed to answer questions, handle transactions, execute tasks, basically instantly.
Around the clock. And what really defines Rex is its flexibility and its focus on custom integration. The sources really hammer this multimodal interaction capability.
Multimodal. So what different ways to talk to it?
Exactly. It doesn't force you into one mode. You can talk to it naturally with your voice. You can chat via text, or you can even use smart forms. That adaptability is absolutely key for, say, high-volume customer interaction.
But the real power, from what I'm reading, seems to be in its ability to manage these custom workflows.
That's it.
So Rex isn't just spitting out text. It's designed to engineer these tailored AI workflows for very specific business processes. We're talking about automating things like lead qualification, data capture,
Appointment scheduling, persistent follow-ups, all the critical stuff. This is where you get a measurable return on investment. If you've ever lost a critical lead because, a follow-up was delayed or there was some human bottleneck.
which happens all the time.
All the time. Rex is designed to just kill that problem. The whole mechanism is about the autonomous execution of these subtasks, all leading to a predefined business outcome. It's a high-efficiency automation tool.
And what's interesting is that Rex is just the generalist in this agentic world. The sources also point to a list of 101 AI agents, which promises to unlock the power of agentic intelligence across these super specific domains.
And the more specialized the task gets, the more visible the power of the agent becomes. We're seeing this immediate specialization in really high-value, complex fields, like luxury services, for instance.
Yeah, for anyone looking for a really concrete example, the JetSet AI agent is fascinating. It is dedicated entirely to luxury travel. And this isn't just, pulling up flight times on Google. This is handling automated planning, managing really complex bookings, creating detailed itineraries, and providing full-on travel concierge services. And the source says it's all handled with precision and personalization.
And that illustrates the concept perfectly. Luxury travel involves dozens of little steps, flights, hotels, transfers, maybe visas, special requests.
So much coordination.
And it all requires just incredible attention to detail. So the Jet Set agent takes that entire complex, high-friction process and just wraps it into a seamless, autonomous service.
We're also seeing agents that are focused purely on securing access. Like that's their whole job. It really emphasizes this transactional specialization.
Right, yeah.
The source lists the TIX AI agent and kind of curiously the PhD AI agent.
Yeah.
And they're both described in the exact same way. They're savvy assistants for securing tickets, gaining VIP access, or managing reservations across entertainment, travel, nightlife.
That repetition is interesting, isn't it? The fact that two different agents are described with the same access-oriented function. It suggests that access and high-demand reservations are just such a critical, high-value transaction area that it actually warrants multiple solutions.
It's all about securing that highly coveted capacity.
Exactly.
Okay, let's pause on that for a second. We've seen these transaction-focused agents for commerce, for leaves, for luxury access. But the sources show this kind of specialization is also radically restructuring entire professional fields.
And that's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah, starting with something like the creative economy.
That's a critical transition.
Yeah.
Because moving from transactional automation to, say, creative workflow integration, that requires a much more sophisticated level of understanding. We see this with the AI casting agent.
Which the source calls a game changer, streamlining the entire casting process.
And it's designed to unify what has historically been a very fragmented, paper-heavy process. Its key function is this seamless production integration.
So it connects talent info, scripts, schedules, all in one unified AI-driven workflow. That's a massive time saver for any production team.
But I wonder, how is this really different from some of the digital casting platforms that already exist?
That's a good question. According to the sources, the core difference is the AI-powered matching algorithm. This system isn't just like filtering resumes based on keywords.
It's more active than that.
Much more. It's actively connecting scripts with the ideal producers, agents, and platforms. Instantly.
Yeah.
It matches based on genre, style, story potential.
Wow, so the agenta capability there. The goal isn't just to match an actor to a role, it's to match an entire script to the right industry infrastructure to maximize its chance of getting made.
Yes, it's moving these abstract script ideas into production connections instantly.
And the fact that they've apparently secured partnerships with SAG-eligible actors, that suggests this isn't just some theoretical concept. It's a tool that's built for immediate real-world industry adoption.
Right. It kind of shifts the whole AI conversation in the creative world from, fear of replacement to acceptance of highly effective specialized assistants.
A powerful tool.
And if we just circle back to Rex for a moment, we also see its powerful applications in pure e-commerce. So moving beyond just lead generation.
Okay.
Rex is facilitating what they call transactions made easy. It enables voice-assisted shopping, automated order forms, secure checkout, real-time payment processing. It's basically making the whole shopping experience conversational and autonomous.
Which would eliminate a lot of that cart abandonment friction.
Exactly. And the specialization, like you said, it extends far beyond spreadsheets and payment processors. There's even a nod to the future with the upcoming AI Chef.
AI Chef. That sounds fun.
Yeah, it's a cooking series that explores how algorithms can reinvent the art of cooking.
So not just generating recipes, but actually guiding the process.
That's the idea. Imagine a culinary algorithm that designs a dish based on, what's available locally, your dietary restrictions, and specific flavor profiles you like.
And then it could guide you step by step through a complex technique with visual and voice cues.
Right. It just proves that this agentic capability can apply to really...
You are listening to the AI World Podcast, your trusted source for the latest innovations, insights, and trends in artificial intelligence, blockchain, fintech, and decentralized technologies. Each episode features expert interviews, engaging discussions, and in-depth analysis of how AI transforms industries worldwide. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest articles and exclusive reports from the AI World Journal, covering everything from emerging technologies to industry breakthroughs. For more news, global events, and access to AI World Society circle gatherings, visit us at aiworld.tv. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed, stay connected, and be part of the AI revolution with AI World Lounge. Thank you for listening.
creative, even physical tasks.
So if we connect all these individual agents, from the luxury travel planner to the casting matcher to the bigger picture, what we're seeing is AI definitively moving from general computation to these highly specialized autonomous solutions.
All tailored for niche application-driven workflows.
Right. And that leads us to a really critical question. How is this entire rapidly expanding ecosystem, which is defined by this hyper-specialization, how is it all funded and sustained?
And that takes us directly to the investment side of things, which seems to be spearheaded by the AI World Fund. Their mandate is remarkably clear and aggressive,
Which is?
seeding the titans of tomorrow. And this is not a passive venture capital model.
No, their whole operational philosophy is right there in their tagline. We don't wait for deals, we create them.
That signals a really active, hands-on role in identifying gaps in the agent ecosystem and then proactively pushing solutions into the market. It sort of flips the traditional VC model on its head.
It does. I mean, think about it. Creating deals rather than waiting for deals.
Yeah.
That's a revolutionary strategy in venture capital for AI.
Why is that? What's the core shift in focus?
Because the next evolution of AI, or so they argue, isn't just about chips or infrastructure. It's about real-world products and solutions, the very centralized agents we've been talking about.
Jet Set, Rex, the casting agent.
Exactly. By creating the deals, the fund ensures that capital flows directly into specific application development. This minimizes the risk of, funding some abstract technology, and it maximizes the potential for immediate deployable products. They're funding the workflows.
So that proactive capital is essential. But this growth, it isn't just happening in financial centers. The whole ecosystem is built on a global community foundation, which is represented by the AI World Society Circle.
And their mission is broad, ambitious even. Artificial intelligence for everyone.
This is where we see a really fascinating dichotomy emerge, I think.
How so?
Well, the fund is laser-focused on creating these premium, high-value agents for specialized markets. The luxury segment.
The Society Circle is focused on equitable access and governance.
Exactly. And the scope is huge. The sources say they have 35 groups operating in 20 countries, all dedicated to advancing AI discussions, networking, innovation. And they have these defined focus areas, including really essential topics like AI, ethics, and governance.
Which acknowledges that with this kind of rapid technological advancement, you need parallel frameworks for responsible deployment. You can't just unleash it.
Right. This global presence and this commitment to accessible AI, it seems strategically vital. It's an attempt to balance the highly capitalized high-end commercial applications with foundational public awareness and education.
And the sources detail exactly how they're doing that on the ground.
Yeah, they're pushing community-based programs, offering free or low-cost AI and STEM resources in places like libraries and makerspaces, specifically targeting underserved areas. They're also partnering with big community organizations like YMCAs to embed AI education directly into public life.
So this ground-level work, it's all focused on long-term impact, building a lasting AI learning network and making sure AI gets integrated into public education.
And this includes supportive measures like the Safe AI for Children Alliance and specific scholarship and grant efforts.
So these are concrete efforts. I saw a mention of AI summer camps that provide scholarships for low-income students.
That's right. It shows a very deliberate strategy. You've got this massive, proactive capital investment on one side, and on the other, you have this foundational public uplift and accessibility.
And in a nod to high-level governmental influence, the sources also highlight their focus on working with the U.S. White House Task Force on Artificial Intelligence Education.
Which bridges the gap. It connects those grassroots community efforts with the national policy dialogue. It creates a pipeline for policy influence and maybe even resource allocation.
Of course. And to keep this whole structured industry informed and connected, the ecosystem relies on its own dedicated media channels.
Like the AI World Journal, based in Silicon Valley, acts as the primary source for breakthroughs, trends, market insights.
And then you have the more forward-looking publication, the AI Catalyst Report, which is described as the gateway to the next breakthroughs.
So that report is designed to accelerate ideas, tools, the next generation of leaders. It's intelligence specifically tailored for the innovators and investors.
Right.
And it seems like they're tying all these threads, governance, investment, innovation, together with a flagship event, a 2026 conference in Washington, D.C.
And the title of that conference really says it all, doesn't it? AI, Governance and Capital, Shaping the Future of Innovation and Investment.
It perfectly encapsulates the ecosystem's priorities.
Yeah, that event just demonstrates that this entire AI world sees the policy, the educational, and the financial structures as being completely inseparable from the technological advancement itself. They get that without all that supporting infrastructure, the specialized agents can't really thrive or integrate responsibly.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? I think the key takeaway here is that the AI revolution, it's not defined by abstract software anymore. It's a fully structured global industry.
A productized industry.
Yes, defined by these specialized autonomous agents handling niche applications, and it's all backed by investors who are actively creating deals for real-world products. They're not just waiting for the next big thing to materialize on its own. It's productized intelligence at scale.
That's the practical shift. We've seen the agents Rex, JetSet, and the industry integration in areas like casting and e-commerce. It's an ecosystem that seems to be seeking control not just over the technology, but over its deployment, its funding, and its ethical framework.
And what's truly fascinating to me is that simultaneous emphasis on two fundamentally different markets.
The high end and the grassroots.
Exactly. The high-level capital investment funding these luxury niche solutions like the JetSet AI agent, and at the same time, the foundational public awareness programs, the free resources and libraries, the scholarships for low-income students.
It creates this tremendous tension right at the heart of their AI for everyone mission.
It really does. So we've thoroughly mapped this agentic AI ecosystem. We've seen the JetSet AI agent handling luxury travel. But then you consider the massive global focus of the AI World Society Circle, those 35 groups in 20 countries, on making sure access is equitable. And it leaves us with a final thought for you to explore. Does the greatest future impact of agentic AI lie in these highly specialized premium agents designed for niche, high-value markets? Or does it lie in the widespread, equitable integration of AI into public life and education systems all over the globe?
That tension between high-end, profitable specialization and foundational accessibility, that's what's ultimately going to shape how the next decade of AI development really impacts society.
That's the challenge for the future. You now have the map. Dive deeper into the original source topics using the context we've discussed today.
The future of artificial intelligence is unfolding, and it's happening at AI World Week, the flagship global event for innovation, collaboration, and transformation. This flagship global AI event is designed to connect visionary leaders, trailblazing entrepreneurs, and influential thinkers to explore the endless possibilities of AI. Experience groundbreaking technology that redefines industries and inspires progress. Join thought-provoking discussions on ethical AI, digital equity, and the transformative role of technology in our world. Build meaningful connections that catalyze innovation and drive impact. AI World Week is powered by AI World Society, a global movement dedicated to advancing AI responsibly and ensuring it serves humanity. Together, we're shaping a smarter, more inclusive, and equitable future. Continue your journey beyond the event with the AI World Journal, offering expert insights, in-depth analysis, and the latest trends shaping the AI landscape. This is your opportunity to lead, to innovate, and to transform the world with AI. AI World Week. We invite you to join us and embrace the AI revolution.